Welcome to the Tech Enthusiast Path. In episode 1, we'll smarten up your home with energy-efficient lighting. In this episode, we'll cover the benefits of LED bulbs and how to replace your old incandescent bulbs. First, let's understand why LED bulbs are better. They use up to 80% less energy and last much longer than traditional bulbs. Next, choose the right LED bulbs for your fixtures. Look for bulbs with the correct wattage and color temperature for your needs. Now, let's replace your old bulbs. Simply unscrew the old bulb and screw in the new LED bulb. Make sure to recycle your old bulbs properly to minimize environmental impact. Check out our recommended LED bulbs to start saving energy today. To recap today's episode, remember the benefits of LED bulbs, replace your old bulbs, and recycle the bulbs correctly. Subscribe, comment, and share your energy-saving journey. Stay tuned for more tech tips in the Tech Enthusiast Path series.